Hey everybody, sorry, I'm just wearing these glasses because I'm doing a kind of like an experiment or something. So my hair's messed up. I didn't get to brush it yet. But let's see what I'm doing. It's something to do with sound, so I took a card that was 5 spades, which I'll just put over here. I'm sorry you guys can hardly see it. But, yeah. It's what it I can't get that. Really mostly is 5 of spades, with a penny taped on, and a little, wire taped on. Now I'm gonna take this. It looks like, controls for an iPod or something. Set that on those spades. And let me show you what I have on my spades. The wire leading into my stereo right here, audio in. So I'm going to test something. Just a minute. I'm going to turn up the volume on this. I can't turn it up anymore. I'll cry. Sorry about just showing outside. Can you get... Did you guys hear something coming out of my stereo? I thought that was pretty creepy, but like, sorry, just felt like doing that. But I don't know why they would have a. So that's pretty weird. Yeah, that's pretty weird. Now, if we untape it from and just like tap it, you can't hear it through the stereo. You can't hear the weird stuff. So that is pretty weird. Let's try to make an MP3 player. So I'm pretty creeped out. Can't turn up. Just a minute. Guys, let me put the earphone thing back on. Sorry, I'm back up. Just a minute. Let me just I'm just touching it with tape. So you can hear pretty freaky sounds. I don't actually know what it is, but yeah, bye.